Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ashutosh Singh Bisin. Today I will perform intramuscular injection process and algorithm.
First of all, we will rinse our hand under the water and apply hand wash. Our first step by rubbing our palm. Second step, third step, now we will use antiseptic. Again the same process. Now we will closer tap by our elbow.
So here we are having our equipments like a steroid tray, 3 dipped cotton in alcohol, 1 syringe, the packet of gloves, the medicine bottle, the tourniquet, the sanitizer and the dummy.
Now first of all we will take the glass packet and will check is it expired or okay. So the date is okay. So I will tear it up. First of all, I will hold it with 2 fingers and will wear. So here we wear. Now we will take it from 3 fingers. Now we have wear our 2 gloves. Now I will take this dustbin in this one dustbin A. Now we will take the syringe and will check the expiry date. Yes, the date is okay. So I will tear it up. Okay, so we will take this in the dustbin 1. Okay, we will take out this by making out its cap outside and the syringe. Okay, here is the medicine box. Okay, now the medicine in the syringe. Now we will put in this again in the steroid tray by making the cap inside, and this one is in the dustbin B. Now we will take the dummy by applying the tourniquet. I had applied the tourniquet. Now I will check the vein. The vein which we are seeing here, it seems to be up one. We will take the cotton dipped in alcohol. Will rub it here. Okay. Okay. Now we'll take the syringe.
By making 90-degree,
We'll make slowly and steadily. We will let it into go. and when there is some amount of blood is there, now that means we are in the venous, and we will apply slowly and really. And when it is the medicine inside the, we will apply it. The cotton wool dipped in the alcohol and the syringe with the cap inside the medical box B, and we will lose the tourniquet. Now, when the things are over, then we will make our gloves outside and inside the medical box B, and we will apply sanitizer